So, you want to learn how to cook eggs, right? Like Gordon fucking Ramsay. Well, I'll tell you how to cook eggs like Gordon fucking Ramsay. First of all, you need to have the language, like mine. Okay, fuck you, fuck this fucking video. Okay, I don't give a shit what happens. First of all, you're going to need some fucking olive oil. Turn on the fucking pan like that. Okay, now you have a pan. It's heating up. So then what you're going to do is you're going to put some fucking olive oil all over the shit. Fucking spread that shit all around. Fucking yes. Make sure you cover the fucking thing. And then you just let it dry. Just kidding, you don't let it dry, you fucking moron. What you're going to do is you're going to need to smear it across the entire board. Okay, what this is going to fucking do is just go ahead and let the eggs cook. Now, you let that wait for around 2-3 minutes. Now, I'm going to go fuck some people online while I do that. You think I'm fucking retarded? Well, you fucking son of a bitch. No, I'm not. You don't leave fire unattended. But am I fucking retarded? Did you fucking donkey shit? Now, next thing you're going to want to do. It's a little bit early right now, but you can see already that it's heating up quite fast. So, what you want to do right now, you want to get some good fucking egg like this. A white egg, okay? You know what a freaking egg is, fucking retards? Then, you're going to want to open it, okay? How are you going to open it? Well, I don't have an egg opener. Well, use your fucking head, you moron. Let me demonstrate. Oh. You fucking open the egg like retard. Fucking son of a bitch. Then you throw away the egg. Next thing you want to do is you want to get your freaking spatula. You're going to want to freaking let it cook, okay? Now you're going to let it cook until you hear it sizzle, okay? You hear it sizzling? I don't hear it sizzling. That means it's not cooking. Fucking cook, you dumbass. Hurry the fuck up. Fucking egg doesn't want to cook. What the fuck is this shit? Why am I on a cooking show? I'm a freaking nerdy dork. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to see it start cooking a little, but does that mean it's done? No, retard. Make sure it hardens first before you flip the darn thing, or else all the liquids are going to go all over the place. If you do that, then you're pretty much fucked up, okay? While I'm letting that cook, I'm washing my hands, as you can see. You always want to be very sanitary while you're dealing with food, okay? The FDA can't let the FDA get onto my ass about cooking freaking dirty food. What you're going to want to do next is you're going to go get another egg soon. And then you want to go get a plate. What's a plate going to do? Well, a plate's going to let you put your eggs on, your fucking dumbass. You get your plate like this, then you put it down. Then you get your egg ready. You can cook more than one at a time, but why? I'm gonna cook one at a time to show you how perfect I am. Look at that, so freaking perfect already. Another recommendation, you're going to want to put pan. What is pan going to do? Well, it's not going to let the egg stick. Fuck, I can't believe I made a fucking mistake in this. This is stupid. Next thing you want to do is you want to flip your egg. Why do you want to flip your egg? Well, it cooked the other side, of course, retard. Fucking dotards in the audience, man. Let that cook for like another 1 or 2 minutes. Then you're going to want to flip it again to make sure that it's completely cooked. Hurry the fuck up. Shit, I don't have time for this. Now I don't know what kind of eggs I'm cooking, but I'm pretty sure they're going to end up being over medium or over hard. How do you know if they're over hard? Well, you see it's a little bit crispy on the outside, like my fucking attitude, okay? If it's over easy, then it's wet inside, like probably like Joshua Morales or something. The perfect one that I love to have is over medium. Why? Because it's wet and it's hard, okay? That's the best kind of egg that you can have. When you put that egg in your mouth, you want to make sure it's wet inside and you want to make sure that it's hard, okay? You want to know what else is hard? Biomed, because I never studied for that class either. Just a shout out to you, Mrs. Morgan. Now, as you can see, the egg's starting to sizzle a little bit, so what you want to do is you want to come out and get it. Make sure that egg's doing okay. Golly, it's doing fine right now. Make sure your egg is cooking. How do you know if it's cooking? Well, it's bubbling and also you know that the heat is on, okay? If you don't have the heat on, how the hell is it going to cook? Now, the most effective way when you're opening your egg is to make sure that you use your head, okay? Because if you don't use your head, how are you going to open it, right? If you use your hands, and what? All the things going to get on there. If it gets on your head, it spreads knowledge and also baby egg around your head. That's what you want. That's how you know your egg is going to taste good. When you're so confident that you can use your head to open up a freaking egg. Now my egg is almost done here. Only one of them. And it looks fucking delicious. Why do I say that? Because it does. The difference between Gordon Ramsay and I is 1, our age, 2, I look 10 times better, 3, I'm not a fucking bloke, okay? 4, he also has a lot more money than me. I wish I could have that kind of money, but, you know, sometimes the best doesn't always get the best pay. You could ask BMW, right? What the fuck? Put the fire on low if it's fucking exploding like that one. Or you could just stop cooking it. That's what I'm going to do to play it safe before I like blow up the house or something. Next, you want to get your plate. Then you go get that egg that's been like not shined the fuck up for the last 5 minutes. Okay, got it. Gosh, get the damn plate. Then you put it right here. Then you get the other part that you cut off because you're freaking dotard. And then you put it. Voila, you have an egg cooked to perfection. The lighting's so bright here because my future is extremely bright. Unlike you. Can't even cook a fried egg. Heck, I learned this right now, man. And that's how you cook an egg. Thank you.